Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back. In the previous section, we discussed about today what is the CRM and what is the in the CRM main modules. That is the we discussed in the previous section. Today section in this we are going to cover to the what is the Salesforce.com. Before going to start the Salesforce.com, in generally we discussed about to the cloud computing and CRM. These two combinations it is developed by the Salesforce.com. So cloud computing is the already we know, right? We can access the data anywhere, anytime. No need to install any software. Just we can use the name and password is enough. We can able to access the applications, but we can access that application in anywhere anytime. There is no need to maintain the any hardware softwares anything, right? And come to the CRM, as for the business, we need to maintain the marketing and sales service informations, right? These two combinations developed by the salesforce.com. So before in detail we are going to discuss to the so Salesforce.com, it is the American based company. It is a software company. The Salesforce.com is the company name. It is the headquarters in the San Francisco, California. This company was founded by the in the 1999 Oracle executive Mark Benfio and Harris. So Salesforce.com, it is the software as a service company. Directly we can develop the application directly, immediately used by the end users. This is the software as a um, company, service company. And this company's CEO is the Mark Benfio. He is the Mark Benfio. He is the CEO of the company. So already we discussed, right? This is the combination of the cloud computing and CRM. We can access the data anywhere, anytime directly. We can access the our application. We can develop the development also do the in the cloud directly without installing any software. And CRM is the any business we are using to the CRM, right? Marketing, sales, and service. So Salesforce is the cloud-based customer relationship management platform. It is the business to manage their relationship to the customers like leads, so prospects, and customers information. All the details we are going to store into in the Salesforce.com. The Salesforce we have the different of the services provided to the here connecting to the with their partners, customers, potential customers. Using the Salesforce CRM, companies track to the their customers' activity, marketing to the customers, and many more services. So we have to do the marketing based on that. We can track to the customer activities they are interested or not. If they are interested, how we are going to close the deals, and we can store the customer information, leads information. Based on that, also we can generate it by the leads. Everything we can store into the in the Salesforce CRM. And Salesforce CRM is the it is a multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant nothing but the same application can able to access the multiple people. So like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, we are using, right? So same application using the multiple peoples, multiple users. That is called the multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture. So Salesforce application also be the same. We can access the multiple peoples at a time. So here and Salesforce also acquired these so many companies like Heroku, Tableau, MuleSoft, Padot, like so many companies they are acquired. And also they have the mainly Tableau, MuleSoft, um click. These are the so many companies, not only these listed here, we listed a few only, but lot of the companies acquired by the Salesforce. So why we are going to choose to the salesforce.com? So it is the cloud based application. It is the mainly cloud based application. We can easy to access and everyone easy to understand and easy to utilize to the application, and anywhere anytime we can access to this application cloud. Multi-tenant platform, just we discussed on the multi-tenant platform. This is the multiple people at a time they can able to access to the application multi-tenant platform. and easy to use. Any business, small business to big business, and everyone easy to understand. That's why it is the in the market number one position of the Salesforce.com. Everyone easy to understand, easy to use to the application, and easy to customize also. As for the our business requirement, we can customize the application. So, for example, if we are purchasing one new mobile, by default, they can give to the default features. We can customize to ourselves, right? Like we can change the ringtone, wallpapers, anything, right? So easy to customize. There is no big deal to that. Is easy to customize to the here. So mobile CRM inbuilt of the we have the by default mobile applications. Integration already we discussed, right? In the cloud advantages. So it is also be the cloud-based application. We can easy to integrate into the any other platform like Salesforce to Oracle, SAP, any other platforms. And efficient reports. Reporting tools also very well reports we can develop into the Salesforce. We can develop by the well developed reports like how many leads is generated, how many customers are created this month. So how many new customers will be in the pipeline. So all the efficient reports we can able to create to the here any kind of the reports. And app exchange. It is app exchange nothing but the Play Store. So in app exchange also we have the so many products available. If we have the any code, just to pay and use that code. Some applications are the we can directly download and utilize. We can download and utilize. It will the save the time. We can ask to the client to if you want to pay it and we can utilize to that code. We can. Otherwise, client will also build means we can develop by that code also. Some existing code available in that we can directly use to the that application. That application pay and use that is okay. Some of the applications is the free. Okay, so that is the app exchange. So here we have this single window. So Salesforce.com is the software as a service main and platform as a service. In the software as a service, directly we can use the application like marketing, sales and service. So here we have the marketing. We can campaign and generate the leads. Sales, we can capture the customer information. What are the deals with that? And service is the case management. They can raise the any case we can sort out. Now that is the case. Web to lead we can through websites we can handling these things. If you come to the platform as a service, we have to develop by the coding. Some scenarios out of the standard we can develop by the coding now. So here we can use it by the coding purpose using the Apex coding. Apex coding it is similar to the Java code. Okay. JavaScript or C code. Okay, so Apex coding program, OOPS concepts based. It is totally developed on the OOPS concepts. Aura and LWC here we are using for the UI purpose. UI purpose we are using the Aura and LWC. Either Aura or LWC or classic version also there. That is the Visual Force page. UI purpose. This is background purpose. We are using to this one. And integration third party system. We can connect to any other systems. We can connect into the third party system. So this is totally development. Here we no need to write by any coding, single line of the coding directly. We can customize to as per the business requirement. When they start the sections, I will show you this is again. And it is the multi-tenant architecture, multiple people at a time accessing to this, and it is connecting to the all the systems. So this is the overall of the Salesforce.com. So the main purpose is the we can access the anywhere, anytime cloud and CRM based applications. So if you have any questions, we can discuss. And here our training will be covered to the certification level training, minimum 4 years experience level. This is we can able to put the how much experience people have the real time experience. They got that kind of the experience training provided by the here, and we can cover to the with real time projects with the daily topics. So when the topics is we are discussing now, we can include by the one project in the day one. So why? Because means when you are joining the companies, we are handling with to the project. So how real time we are facing the issues, how real time they are implementing to the project. We are implementing the project, right? So that kind of the way to we can discuss the here also concept with how to implement it by the that scenario in the real time. So real time scenarios and best practices also here, and we can give to the daily assignments. So today we discuss one topic. On that topic I will assign to the 3 to 4 tasks to you. Once it is good, we can go to some next level. So how many tasks you need, that many tasks I'm ready to give. Okay. So that is, and daily question and answers. We can assign to some task. Next day we can discuss to the that task. Any other topics also we can discuss. And end of the here some admin part and development, two parts here, right? So we can discuss to that is so we can conducting by the mock interviews also. Mock interviews also here. So this is the overall of the course view. And come to the here, we can discuss to the project. So this is the project we are going to discuss while developing of the application. So in the real time also we are developing the application, right? So here sales order management, the main motto of the sales order management, we can capture to the customer details, their orders and their payment details. So here customers information, sales products, what are the products available, has what are the products we are selling, that information. And here we have to the some sales representatives, they can get the some orders from to the either companies to our customers, that is sales representative information. So here order details, what are the orders we have received, so what are the order details we have to capture to the here, and payment details also here. So this is the project flow. So customers, we have the two types of the customers. So in personally, we are to selling to the products, and we have to deal with the companies, MNC companies, different MNC companies. Actually, here we are selling the products is the laptops. So we have the different types of the laptops, that is the products. So like Dell, Lenovo, HP, MacBook. So different types of the laptops we have, that products information we have, that products we have to sell to the MNC companies. So that companies also, and we can sell to the individual personal also. That is the two types of the customers here. So each customers have the number of deals, number of orders, right? Some MNC companies we are getting the number of orders, that orders information we are capturing to the here, and their payment details also here we have, payment details also here we have to the capturing to the here. So this is the overall of the schema. And here I given to the each object wise fields, what are the data types, all this mentioned here. We can develop to the this project while the discussing to the topics, while discussing to the topics. These are all we are developing. In front of you, I will develop to the all this, and parallelly we can give to the one more assignment also, one more project also. Okay. So this is the here. Let's see the in the next section. First, we can create the Salesforce arc and how it is work. We can see the in the next section. Thank you.